everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make ragi porridge for your 6 months plus babies. This is the nutritional chart for ragi flour, and this is the comparison. So you can see ragi is very rich in the minerals. So put a pan on the stove and add half glass of water and add 1 tablespoon of ragi flour and mix well so it doesn't form any lumps. The ragi flour absorbs water very quickly, so keep stirring so they don't form any lumps. And you can always add protein powder or dry dates powder to sweeten the porridge if your baby is 10 months plus. So my baby is just 7 months, so I'm gonna use jaggery powder to sweeten the porridge. If you feel this consistency is thinner, you can also add more ragi flour so to thicken the get thick porridge. So ragi flour is very rich in calcium and it's very nutritional and healthy for your babies. I would recommend to give it every day. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and come back for more videos. Thank you.